opposite, and we'll be in the back now.
Jane, you go that.
Yeah, you go down like that.
And Mom and Dad will
be in the
Come on, get down,
You're gonna
go.
bed.
Hose, go.
Ready, go. Look at the camera though.
No.
Yeah.
You don't have to put it outside.
Where is it?
Right there. Right there. Daddy, come here.
Hey.
Can you get all? You want to do the brace too? Yeah. Should I do that after I do this? Yeah. All right, so we got it down. It was a beast.
Only took us about what?
A couple hours.
A couple hours, yeah.
So we started with the roof, took the roof off, sent the middle kid up there since he was the lightest of the three that could get up there and do it.
And that we felt comfortable with.
Yeah. Jaden
Sorry.
just get up there and play around. Then we took off the sides, and the middle one we couldn't get because it's so tall and there's not enough space back there to get the actual metal panels off. So we just knocked it down. And then now we'll get it all on the trailer. We'll transport it all up there. And here in a day or two, we'll get it back, put it back up.
Yeah. I was thinking this
Should
was
be
going
fun.
to take like 2 days to take down. That's what I was thinking.
No, but we're pretty whooped from taking it down, that's for sure. The boys did excellent.
Yeah, they did great.
Everybody did teamwork, makes the dream work. And we got her down. We got some messed up pieces that we might have to go buy later, but oh well.
It's okay.
We'll figure it out.
I mean, at least we don't have to buy a whole brand new shed.
And nobody got hurt.
There was a couple times I was like, this could like come down and like really hurt me if I'm not careful. Or, you know, anybody for that
We
matter.
had a couple scrapes, but nothing major, which is to be expected on a farm.
Yeah.
So.
Absolutely.
The only bad thing about taking down a building is finding little baby birds. I'm not sure you're supposed to be holding on to them. We need to put them somewhere where they're going to be safe. Look, it's hungry.
Yeah, let's give it the food.
We have taken down the shed, as you can see behind us, and now we're going to move it up by the house. I've got our trailer and truck here, and we're gonna load this up and we're gonna take it up there. We might have to take multiple trips, but that's okay.
So thanks for watching.
Stay
and
tuned
stay
for-
tuned for the build.
Yep.